now going to demonstrate the whole process of the phone turning itself off and then not being able to come on. Since the last video of it's turned itself off, so I'm now turning it back on by holding the power button. Let's let it load. It has had a factory reset multiple times, so it's all default stuff. Let's type in it. There we go. Okay, you can see it's on. Pushing buttons everywhere. There we go. It's on. Turn it off. You can turn it back on again fine. There we go. Now if I leave it off, I'll leave it here to demonstrate. After about 5 or 10 minutes I'll come back and I'll try to turn the phone on again, and it won't turn itself on and I'll have to hold the power button in to get it on. As I said, I have performed the factory reset multiple times to try and solve the issue, and I've had no success with that. As well as a thorough Googling, I can't seem to find a solution to this problem. So I'll be back in a little while. Try the phone. Oh, it's turned off already. As you can see, I'm holding the power button, pushing the power button. If I do a long press, it still doesn't turn on, so something's running. But unfortunately, it doesn't want to work. So you can even try to plug it into computer. The computer hasn't registered the device. It doesn't recognize the device. So it's not communicating with my PC. Any way for me to turn it back on again is to hold the button in. And there we go, it comes back on, and obviously the process will now repeat, so I could leave it for another 5 minutes or so and it'll turn off, and the only way to get it back on is to hold the power button in. Okay, hope that explains everything. Cheers.